friends. Welcome to Wealth Fusion. This is our special episode on our weekly performance. So, let us see our weekly performance for the week. So, before our weekly performance for the current week, let us glance over our past 2 weeks' results. Week 1, our profit was about 1900 in our YouTube calls, and week 2, the profit was rupees 3500, and week 3 is the current week. Let us see how the calls performed. So 31.5 Sun Pharma was active at 671, and to make it simple, the stocks which are less than 1000 we are buying it in 50 quantities, and the stocks which are above 1000 we'll be buying it in 30 quantities. So at 50, and there was a stop loss at 665, and there was loss of rupees 300, and other three stocks was not active for the day. And the next day, Airtel buy was active at 537, the quantity 50, and stop loss 533, and we made loss once again 200 rupees in this. And the second stock which was active was Tata Consumers 666, and the quantity 50, and the first target was also not hit in the stocks, and we made it was entire day it was on range bound, so it was a cost to cost exit. And another two stock was not active for the day. So entire week there was lots of profit booking, and also the market was not in a range where the buyers can make money. So it was fluctuating. There was a huge fluctuation. So this week was a bit tough for all of our stocks which we recommended. SBI Bank buy was active at 436, and we considered even this stock as cost to cost. The entire day the stock was in the range, and who had entered in this stock they could have exited with cost to cost. And next three stock was not active for the day, and the next day Tata Consumers was active at 675, and first target was hit, and we made a profit of rupees 350. And Tata Motors, it was also in the range between 326 to 328 like that, but it was not it did not come to our stop loss also, and nor our first target, so we are considering it as a cost to cost. On the same day, IndusInd Bank buy was active at 1032, and we hit a stop loss at 1025, and we made a loss of rupees 210. UPL Limited, this also buy was active at 841, and stop loss at 835. We made loss of rupees 300. And the next day, that is 4th June 2021, Axis Bank buy was active at 753, and you can see the first target was hit at 758, and we made a profit of rupees 250. Grasim buy was active at 1465, and both the target was hit, still 1480. Second target was hit, and we made a profit of rupees 450. And another two stocks was not active for the day. So in this, most of the stocks were not active because there, while market was opening itself, either it would be a gap up opening or gap down opening. So when this happens, the most of the stocks will not be active. So guys, the observation for this week was, whenever the market opens, first 2 to 3 minutes do not trade, wait for the proper buy range, and once it's sustained in that buy range, then only you will start to trade. The most of the stocks which hit the stop loss was which was traded at immediate at the market when it opened. The immediate trade was, most of that was at stop loss calls. So wait for the a buy active range and wait for the proper confirmation, and if the stock sustain at that buy active range, then only start trading. And total in the 3 weeks we made a profit of rupees 5440. Let us hope for the best in our upcoming weeks, and do follow us. And we have already uploaded our Monday suggestion video. The link will be in description. Do watch the video and do subscribe for us, and also follow us in Telegram channel. The link will be in description. Let us meet in next video. Thank you. Have a great day.